Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Dark Horse. Before starting today's main discussion, I would like to say sorry for my bad English because English is not my first language. However, as you've already been seeing, today I am going to do something with your favorite Rubik's Cube. Is it a pattern? Yes. Today I am going to show the process to make a very special and wonderful pattern with 3 into 3 dimensional Rubik's Cube. This is very cool pattern of a Rubik's Cube which may be termed as cube inside a cube. It is formed in such a way that it looks like a small 2 into 2 dimensional cube is located inside a relatively large cube. This pretty cool pattern is formed at all sides of a Rubik's Cube. To learn how to make this cool pattern easily and to make the cube solved again, please watch the full video without skipping any part. To make this special pattern, you have to follow some movements. And firstly, you have to move the upper part one left side move. Then the left layer move up for 2 times. Okay. Then the down layer to the right turn 1 time. Then the right layer to the up for 1 time. Okay. Then the back layer. Then the back layer should be moved down for 1 time. Then the right layer move up for 1 time. Then the back layer again move down for 1 time. Then again the right layer move up for the 1 time. Then the back layer, then the back layer have to move again the down for 1 time. Then the down layer or bottom layer, whatever you say, bottom layer should move left side for 1 time. Then the left layer should move down for 2 times. Then and the upper layer should move left for 1 time. Then the right layer should move up for 2 times. Then the front layer should move down for 1 time and another 1 time, that is total 2 times. And the upper layer should move left for 2 times. And let's see, and that is our desired pattern already formed by following this simple movements. Okay. Now I would like to show how to make the cube fully solved again. Okay. This is really easy. Just reversal the turn and you will get the Rubik cube solved again. So I am going to move the Rubik cubes layer again in similar pattern and let's see the result. Moving the upper layer from right to left for 1 time. Okay. Then the left layer should move up for 2 times, 1 and 2, and the bottom layer should move from the left to the right for 1 time. Okay. Then the right layer should move up for 1 time. Then the back layer should move down for 1 time. Then a right layer again move to up for one time. Then the back layer should move down again for one time. Okay. Then the right layer should move up for again one time, and the back layer again move down for one time. Then the bottom layer should move left for one time. Then the left layer should move down for two times, and the upper layer should move left for one times. The right layer should move up for two times. Then the front layer should move down for one time and again one time. That means totally two times. And the upper layer should move left for two times, one and two. Now check the whole cube. It's solved again. Thanks for watching.